kultur ng Pilipinas, parang gago itong... So that's another, if he comes to, or she's honest to the husband, and she will tell them how many rapes she experiences every night. Ang husband niya, that's a reality. I'm not inventing it. It is the reality of our lives. Tapos they keep on sending money so that their children can work or can study. Pagdating nila dito after 4 years, instead of seeing their children na nakagraduate na ng high school o college, basag na. At bakit? Sa kahirap nila, ilang instances nakita ninyo? Iiwan lang doon sa kapitbahay,